Welcome back guys to the channel. Today we have Dirty Dan's Big Black Commencal or BBC. Frame is a 2018 Commencal Meta AMHT size medium. At the front suspension, we have the Fox Fork 36 Performance Elite 160 mm, just like Dirty Dan's. For the group set, we have a Mix brand. For the rear derailleur, we have the XT 12 speed paired with a Cogs Sunrace 11 speed 1150 with the chain of XT, and the chainring is an absolute black oval 30T. The chainring or the oval chainring absolute black is paired with the Dartmoor crank arm. Pedal is a Control Tech. For the dropper, just like Dirty Dan's front suspension, he likes it long, black, and hard. We have the Fox Transfer 2019 150 mm. Saddle is by WTB. For the stopping power, we have the Deore XT quad piston paired with the rotors of TRP 203 mm in front and 180 mm at the rear. At the cockpit, it is handled by Funn, so the handlebar is a Funn Fatboy Supreme 800 mm. The stem is a Funn Funnduro 60 mm long. Grips is by Red Monkey Karv XT. For the hubs, Dirty Dan uses the loud and scandalous Hope Hub Pro 4 Boost paired with DT Swiss Comp spokes and DT Swiss nipples. They are both built into the Easton rims Arc 40 27.5. For the tires, front and back, it is Maxxis Minion DHF 27.5 by 2.8.